And finally this evening, two national champions retained their titles in the field, while world champion Oblique Seville is the fastest qualifier heading into the semi-finals of the men's 100 meters at the JAA's Puma National Junior and Senior Championships, which got underway on Thursday at the National Stadium. Our reporter Denise Walters is on location and has our summary of day one.
Reigning Commonwealth Games champion Lamara Distin is once again the national champion after winning the women's high jump. The national record holder Distin leapt 1.86 meters to retain her title. On the track, world champion Oblique Seville is the fastest qualifier heading into Friday as the semi-finals of the men's 100 meters after winning his heat in 10.09 seconds.
Dane McPherson in 3, and he does so. Seville also right there, as well as Rashid Foster. Seville now takes charge and just canters home the world champion. 10.11 the flash time for Seville. Was there any doubt that he would have easily taken this opening heat?
2024 World Indoor Bronze medalist Akeem Blake with a 10.11 seconds was the next best qualifier.
And moves away from the field, Akeem Blake, looking superb. Akeem Blake easily comes across the line, close going for second. Stewart might have gotten a second place there.
Meanwhile, Sidney Wilson hunting his first national senior title, and former national champion Malik James King lead all qualifiers into Saturday's final of the men's 400-meter hurdles after winning their respective semi-finals. 2023 400-meter world champion Antonio Watson is through to the semi-finals of the men's 400 meters after winning his heat in 45.91 seconds. I am Denise Walters reporting from the National Stadium for TVJ Sports.